Hello, Bladers. Did you know that there are Hollywood actresses that drive around fancy cars too? Welcome to our Daily Drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are 4 Hollywood celebrities and the cars they drive. Beyoncé Knowles. Queen Bee owns a Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud, which definitely reveals a new sense of style on how we usually see her. There may be never models being produced, but Queen Bee has been keeping it classy. Miranda Kerr. Who doesn't love this Victoria's Secret angel turned mom? She already owns a Jaguar XJL, an Audi Q7, an Audi A8, and a Range Rover Westminster. That doesn't seem to give any indication that she likes the Buick brand at all. But hey, at least she knows the difference between a nice car and the opposite of one. This just shows that even if she lives such a girly lifestyle, she still takes interest in being knowledgeable with cars. Ellen DeGeneres. There has always been a joke on how Ellen loves Porsche, because the name of Ellen's wife may be named Portia. But it's a different spelling of a very similar name that rules her life most of the time. She's so dedicated to the Porsche brand that one might even say she's obsessed, since she seems to buy every single car that they put out. She owns a GTS, a 993, a Carrera S, a Carrera 4S, a Turbo S, and a Cayenne, amongst others. Gigi Hadid. This new Victoria's Secret angel probably gets all the cars she wants for free, since she was named as the official face of BMW. The supermodel isn't exactly a stranger to driving flashy cars, since her father, Mohammed Hadid, was already a real estate mogul of some worth before she started posing. So now we know where she got her interest in these luxurious cars. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of your favorite Hollywood celebrity? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.